This is ABlessedRN. Are you ready to defeat dosage? Let's do a milliliter per hour IV question. The client has vancomycin 750 milligrams IV to infuse over 90 minutes. That's your order. The medication is available as 750 milligrams in 250 milliliters of 0.9% sodium chloride. At what rate will the nurse set the infusion pump in milliliter per hour? So what is this asking us for? Milliliter per hour. That's volume over time. Volume is how much liquid. Time is how long do they want it to take that liquid to go into your patient. So without looking at anything else, how much volume did they tell us? 250 milliliters. And guess where we're going to put that? At the top, because that's where the goal tells us. Now, how long do they want it to take for that to go into your patient's veins? To infuse over 90 minutes. And we're going to put it over 90 minutes. Now, we got milliliter at the top, but at the bottom we have minute. We need to make our puzzle look like the picture on the puzzle box. So therefore, we don't have any more pieces. That's when you pull out your metric conversions. We know that 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. Your minutes on the bottom go to the minutes on the top. They cancel out. Now your puzzle is complete and you can do the math. We're going to multiply across the top, get a number, multiply across the bottom, get a number, and then we're going to divide the top by the bottom. So 250 times 60 is 15,000, and then 90 times 1 is 90, and then 15,000 divided by 90 is going to give us our answer. And make sure you round how those folks tell you to round to the whole number. So everything to the left of the decimal is your whole number. We're going to go one decimal place to the right, and that number will determine how we round the underlying part. So since it's 5 or more, we raise the score by 1. So 167 milliliters per hour is our final answer. Make sure to follow and subscribe for more dosage breakdown. Be blessed.